In a bloody clash centering brewery settlement, an agitator was shot dead. The clash erupted between the supporters of Joint Movement Committee and security personnel in the areas of Unakoti district Saturday morning. The victim has been identified as Shukanta Das, 45 years of age, a carpenter of Doshda in Kanchanpur subdivision. In the tussle between the agitators and security personnel, one fire brigade staff has been beaten to death by the angry agitators who thought him to be a TSR Jawan. Around 25 persons, including security force and common public, left injured in the clashes, sparking panic in Panisagar, Kanchanpur, Damchara areas of Unakoti district. One woman police personnel also has been left seriously injured. Senior police officials rushed to the spot with heavy reinforcement to defuse the tension. Thousands of Joint Movement Committee supporters, defying the prohibitory order, were proceeding from Kanchanpur to Dharmanagar with holding placards opposing brewery settlement. When security personnel stopped the rally at Panisagar, that led to the terrific tussle between the two sides. As the situation was going out of control, the security personnel charged tear gas shells, but it did not work. At last, the security personnel opened fire that resulted in the death of an agitator. Several agitators and security personnel suffered multiple injuries in the clash, triggering panic all over. Vehicles of security personnel were also vandalized by resented agitators. The indefinite strike called in protest against brewery settlement in Kanchanpur subdivision has entered its 6th day today. An uneasy calm prevails in the entire Kanchanpur and Panisagar subdivisions as the people joined the movement in strong number. Thousands of people carried the SDM office Kanchanpur, demanding immediate arrest of the culprits responsible for attack on pump operator Shubalde. Anti-brew repatriation protest has triggered massive violence in the Kanchanpur and Panisagar subdivisions. This unwanted chaos in Panisagar is the reflection of Home Ministry's failure under Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, as the anti-brew agitators demanded high-level meeting, but the state government is yet silent. The law and order situation in the state has completely disrupted in the Hira era.
আজকে সংগ্রাম রাস্তা অবরোধ করার জন্য, তারপর আমাদের সংগ্রামের মধ্যে ফৌজি গুল্লি টিএসআর গুল্লি করছে, ফায়ারিং করছে, আমাদের পাবলিক একজন জায়গা স্পট হয়েছে, আরেকজনকে সামনে পায়ে গুল্লি করেছে। ওরা দুজনকে হাসপাতাল নেওয়ার জন্য ফৌজিরা আটক করে রেখেছে। রাস্তা কীভাবে ওদেরকে হাসপাতাল পৌঁছাবো তা নিয়ে দুশ্চিন্তা চলছে।
However, seeing the trouble, SP North and District Magistrate North Naresh Kumar went to the spot and urged the agitators to withdraw the blockade. But the agitators did not agree to their request. Until the evening, the agitators have continued protests while blocking the national highway. On the other side, DIG North in a statement claimed that police did not open fire, which led to the death of an agitator. On one side, where such a turmoil is going on in the state, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, who claims himself to be the king, is engaged in merriment observing Chhath Puja celebrations in the state. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.